This is how to add items and create suggested bundles in R&R. Now before we start, I want to talk about our new naming format. Everything is properly labeled and follows a certain format. If you're ever confused about how to label something, just look at another resource or go to my cheat sheet. Please and thank you. In this video, I'll show you how to add to an existing resource, add a new item, and finally how to create a suggested bundle. Any previous knowledge you had in R&R should be forgotten because it has changed. I'm sorry. Alrighty, this is how to add to an existing resource. Go to Admin and find the resource type that falls under the item that you have. For this example, we're adding a new Apple box. So let's go to Grip and Electric. Find the Apple box model, click Resources, then find the existing resource pool. For this example, we have a new half Apple box. So click Apple box half, go to Items, add new item, and just move this box over to copy the naming format. Add your barcode and then click Add. Great, now let's add a new item. We're going to add some lenses, so let's go to Lenses EF Mount Canon, go to Models, then Add New Model, move the box over so we can copy the naming format, and we're going to name this lens 24 to 200 millimeter, comma, Canon underscore 2341. Then click Add. Now go back to the model, then go to Resources, and this is the important part, you're going to add a resource pool. The reason why I recommend adding a resource pool instead of just a singular item is that you might buy more in the future. It's easier to add to a resource pool than having to take a bunch of singular resources and make a new resource pool. Save future you some time, trust me. And now adjust your settings. And then the name is going to be the same as the model name. So lens 24 to 200 millimeter, comma, Canon underscore 2341. Now go to items, add new, and the name is exactly going to be the same. Lens 24 to 200 millimeter, Canon 2341. Now you're going to add the barcode and click add again, and save. And that's how you add a new item. I know that this is weird, but doing it this way is going to save you some time in the future if you end up adding another item that's exactly the same as this lens. You can always change the name of the model and the item name. What you can't change is the model resource type, so always make it a pool unless it's a bundle kit. If you want a good example of this, I want you to look at the fish lens model. Now let's look into suggested bundles. These are going to be certain camera kits and lenses, and this section will cause a lot of errors if not done to the T. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Accessory Bundles. This resource type is going to have all the kits that belong with other kits. Heads up, your students cannot check out these items without doing a suggested bundle. As you noticed, we named it so that the first barcode is the accessories barcode, and the second barcode is the camera kit linked to it. So Batteries Blackmagic Gold Pin barcode number is 5820, and it goes with Blackmagic Camera Kit 5970. As you can tell, every single item in this section has its own model. Only items like these and specialty items like certain camera kits should have its own model. If you don't do this, you cannot do a suggested bundle. I'll show you why soon. So now that we're done with the touring, let's make a suggested bundle. Let's go to the Blackmagic cameras. Select Linked Resources Settings. We want to create a bundle that has the camera, the matching battery kit, and a tripod. So make sure you have all the linked resource types added. The batteries are in accessory bundles and the tripods in accessories. Let's go ahead and check what's in our existing bundles already. This predefined bundle is named Blackmagic Bundle Set 5970. Linked to it is a medium tripod, its matching batteries, and a matte box / follow focus kit. Now notice the applicable to selected models only. This is why we separate specialty kits into their own model. If you don't do this, you won't be able to use the bundle feature because you can't find it. I marked applicable for selected models to yes and selected the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema model. Now look at resource types. I marked it as yes on the filter related resources types 5 models. Reason for this is the exact same reason for cameras. If you don't separate things by models, then R&R can't find it. And then I added each item I wanted to include in this bundle. You can only mark one item per tab. Marking two doesn't work for some reason. When you have added everything, go ahead and press Update. I know these bundles are weird, but they're very nice when they are working. Before creating a bundle, please go through some of the bundles I have already created just to see how they are set up. Here's what the red helium suggested bundle looks like. And here's what the Sony a6300 suggested bundle looks like. And that's everything. Thank you so much for watching.